I am currently waiting for the new rotor to print. Not that I can see it. So, I've been thinking about what I'm gonna actually put this on when I get it to work. And just for the fun of it, I'm looking at little 50cc motor. I think this is a 50cc motor I got. Well, the port or the piston's pooched, which means the jug's probably just about had it and could bore it out. And, well, it might be nickel sealed and then it's just not worth playing with. However, I imagine the internals are good. The crank, the bearings, the connecting rod, everything else is probably usable. So I'm going to pull this apart and draw up all the parts and long-term plans of using my CNC to build a 50cc race motor. Alright, here we go. I got this motor for scrap, so I'm not really 100% on what the condition it actually is in. But looking at the port, it's not great. This is, I think, a Kiort built engine, so a Japanese company. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. They make Echo products. There we go. Alright, and that's that. Well, and that's that. I don't know if you could see that in there. Not great. And oh, it's actually got a steel sleeve, so this might be usable. I'll hang on to that for later. Now, imagine the piston's pooched. Oh yeah, she's done. So, it's got some sealant on it. Will it just pry apart? Oh yeah. Okay. Just a second. Yeah, I'm not gonna be so lucky, am I? Yeah, pull both out. Does that fit? That's not bad. It's probably not the best way to push that out. Okay. Look at this. Oh, we're gonna have to go that way. Just gonna zoom out, yeah, so you guys can see. No, you still can't see it. Yes. I don't really plan on using these bolts again. There shouldn't be an issue. As I knock everything around. And that was either a spacer. What the heck's going on here? you know, we'll push the washer in. That's a little bit of an issue. Like I said, I don't care about this piston, it's had it anyways. I just like to get it off. I'm probably screwing up that bearing. Again, we'll replace that anyways. Nice looking rod. There. Should use that in the first place. Okay, let's not lose those. I want those. And doesn't look that bad actually. Where am I here? Doesn't feel great. Probably best to replace it. Okay. So now this should just pull apart. And everything should just pop out of here. Like so. I don't know these parts. Well, this was a decently done engine. The port matching looks pretty good. Not very big though. I'm used to working on bigger two-strokes, so that might be pretty big. I don't know. But this is what I wanted. Now everything seems to be in really good shape here. Seals and everything are decent. Yeah, and I know what engine this is, so I can get parts for this specifically if I need to. It's not really the best crank, being as it's a 3-piece crank. But I can use this as a template and machine my own parts anyways. Well, from this point I am going to go on Fusion, draw all this up, or at least something relatively similar to this, more maybe what I would machine myself, and see what I'm going to need for aluminum, and see what I can get the CNC to do. Alright, that's going to be it for now anyways. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye.